When the end of roll is reached, press the 2 arrows button on the web guide. Move the material back to the web guide splice table. Lift the latch to lock the material in place. Confirm the unwind media sensor is off. Remove the core. Install the new roll. Thread the material up to the splicing table. Refer to the Unwinder Module Media Path Guide. Align the new roll with the material in the press. Raise the latch to lock it in place. With a sharp blade, cut the material. There is a slot in the splicing table for this purpose. Remove the excess material from both sides. Use a piece of tape to connect the bottom sides of the material. The tape should be shorter than the width of the material. Repeat the process, adding tape to the top. Release the locking latches and turn on the unwind sensor.